For centuries, humanity has observed Saturn as a quiet, golden giant, the undisputed crown jewel of our solar system. Data retrieved from deep space reveals a world driven by a violently chaotic engine, hidden beneath those calm yellow clouds. To understand the planet's true nature, we have to look closely at its two most impossibly perfect structures, those flat, razor-thin rings and the massive geometric shape spinning at its north pole. How does the universe create such exact, orderly perfection in an environment defined by chaos? Achieving this level of cosmic order requires extreme, planetary-scale destruction. Look at these distinct bands of gray and white. While they look like solid sheets of gold from Earth, a closer view reveals a high-speed blizzard of sharp ice and rock. The rings span nearly 300,000 kilometers, yet they average just 10 meters in depth. This vast field contains 17 trillion tons of icy shrapnel, all swirling around the planet in a tight, pulverized disk. Everything changes at the Roche limit. This diagram illustrates the threshold where a planet's gravity begins to overpower a smaller orbiting body. Long ago, an ancient ice moon wandered too close. As it passed the Roche limit, it entered a doomed gravitational tug-of-war. Saturn's pull proved too strong. Extreme tidal forces grabbed the object and physically ripped the crust from its core. The resulting debris spiraled inward, colliding and breaking down into smaller pieces, until the rotational force of the gas giant flattened the remnants into a vast, thin disk. The rings we admire today represent a planetary graveyard, the pulverized guts of a moon that wandered too close. Moving inward from the rings toward the North Pole reveals another anomaly, a mathematically precise hexagon. This isn't a solid structure. It is a raging, six-sided hurricane wide enough to swallow 4 Earths whole. Natural fluid dynamics typically produce circles and spirals. Stable, straight lines of this scale are almost never seen in nature, making this geometric barrier a unique scientific mystery. To find the driver of this storm, look at this cross-section of Saturn's interior. Beneath the outer gas shell, immense gravity squeezes hydrogen into a dense liquid ocean, sitting over a core burning at 11,000 degrees Celsius. Deep inside that liquid layer, a massive whirlpool acts as a superheated engine. It forces energy upward, corralling the surrounding atmospheric currents and trapping the polar storm into this rigid, six-sided shape. This geometric perfection is a direct paradox: extreme internal heat and unimaginable pressure, forcing total chaos into a pattern of strict order. The very same gravitational forces that built these structures are currently working to destroy them. Saturn is currently undergoing a process called ring rain. The planet's gravity is steadily pulling icy debris down into the atmosphere to melt away forever. In a mere 100 million years, a blink of an eye in cosmic time, the rings will be gone, leaving Saturn as a dark, lonely giant. We owe our forensic understanding of this world to a single messenger, the Cassini space probe. In 2017, Cassini completed its mission with a final act of sacrifice. It dove straight into the crushing atmosphere, streaming back data until the heat and pressure tore the robot apart. Saturn demonstrates that the most breathtaking, orderly structures in the solar system are often the temporary aftermath of terrifying destruction.